Michael Cohen gave Congress Trump Tower Moscow documents time. Washington. Michael Cohen, President Donald Trump's former lawyer, on Wednesday turned over documents to the House Intelligence Committee related to a Trump real estate project in Moscow, a subject he lied to the committee about in 2017. Cohen brought the documents to the intelligence panel as he returned to Capitol Hill for a fourth day of congressional testimony, according to a person familiar with Cohen's interview who requested anonymity to speak about the confidential meeting. Lawmakers have been interested in talking to Cohen about the Moscow project ever since he pleaded guilty to lying to Congress about the subject. Cohen acknowledged the Trump Tower project is one of many under scrutiny as the Democrat-led panel investigates Russian interference in the 2016 election and whether Trump's campaign was involved, among other matters, including Trump's foreign financial dealings. Cohen has become a key figure in congressional investigations after turning on his former boss and cooperating with special counsel Robert Mueller's probe. He was interviewed, Cohen, before the House Oversight and Reform Committee last week, where he called Trump a con man, a cheat, and a racist. He pleaded guilty. Among the issues discussed in Cohen's closed-door interviews with both the House and the Senate last week was the issue of pardons, according to people familiar with those interviews. They requested the committee was expected to discuss the subject in Cohen's second day before the committee, according to one of the people familiar with the meeting. Cohen told Congress last week that he had never asked for and would not accept a pardon from Trump. But that may not be, according to people with knowledge of the situation. A lawyer for Cohen expressed interest to the Trump legal team in a possible pardon for his client in the aftermath of a raid last April on Cohen's hotel room, home, and office. The people spoke on. The president's attorneys were non-committal during the conversation with Cohen's lawyer, the people said. Cohen did not, no pardon was given, and Cohen ultimately pleaded guilty and is cooperating against the president in separate investigations by the special counsel and by federal prosecutors in New York. Asked about the pardon issue Tuesday evening, another Cohen attorney, Lanny Davis, said his client was speaking carefully during his public testimony. He acknowledged on it, but since then, Davis said, Cohen has been clear that he wouldn't accept a pardon. There is nothing inherently improper about a subject in a criminal investigation seeking a pardon from a president given the president's wide latitude in granting them. But lawmakers have. House Intelligence Committee Chairman Adam Schiff, D. California, said after last week's private meeting with Cohen that the committee had additional document requests that they were discussing with him. Schiff would not comment. The Intelligence Committee investigation is one of several probes Democrats have launched in recent weeks as they delve deeper into Trump's political and personal dealings. On Monday, House Judiciary Committee Chairman Gerald Nadler, DNY, sent 81 letters to Trump's family and associates seeking documents and information. Nadler said, Cohen pleaded guilty to lying to Congress about the duration of negotiations over the Trump real estate project in Moscow. In addition, federal prosecutors in New York have said Trump directed Cohen to arrange the payments to buy the silence of porn actress Stormy Daniels and former Playboy model Karen McDougal in the run-up to the 2016 campaign. Cohen told a judge. Cohen said in the oversight testimony that Trump directed him to arrange the hush money payment to Daniels. He said Trump has said Cohen did bad things unrelated to Trump and is lying in order to reduce his prison time. Contact us at
Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. I keep fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park,